The Nawican Friendship Centre offers vital services to help urban Indigenous peoples. Nearly 2 months into the pandemic, this centre has seen an increased demand for help.
We have been serving anywhere from 30 to 60 meals a day now. Yesterday we actually just had the most that we've ever put out for one afternoon, and that was 60 meals. The increase is definitely noticeable.
The federal government announced $305 million will go towards the needs in First Nations, Inuit and Métis Nation communities.
We're setting up a distinctions-based Indigenous Community Support Fund.
Of this, only $15 million is put towards Indigenous peoples living in urban areas, an amount that Janice says isn't large enough to go around.
There's over 100 friendship centres across Canada, but we were only successful in receiving $3.75 million of that. So divided up between all of the centres, that's only approximately $20,000 after it's all said and done.
According to Statistics Canada, more than half of all Indigenous peoples in Canada live in urban areas.
Just think that it's very important that the government recognizes the urban population of Indigenous peoples, and it's a little bit discouraging with all of the services that we provide to sort of be forgotten when the funding comes around.
Prior to the pandemic, the Friendship Centre was on the verge of buying a new building. The sale has since been put on hold.
The plan had been to move all of our youth programming, our cultural and holistic healing, our main administration over to the new building and keep this building for the soup kitchen, the mental health and addictions program, our employment program, as well as transition the back portion of the building into an emergency shelter.
The centre relies heavily on federal funding and donations to keep their doors open.
We've had some very generous donations, so we're very grateful for that.
The Friendship Centre also accepts clothing and food donations. Krause, CJDC-TV News, Dawson Creek.